Hello, guys. Welcome back to Road to Fame, Road to Financial Independence. Yep. So, today we will talk about mostly how to become your own boss. I'm Pam Alexan, financial planner and graphic designer at MN Services 237.
Leo Darlow.
As I was saying, becoming your own boss is not that easy. Like taking the opportunity for you to leave what you are being used to, receiving your paychecks, in order to become the one giving out the paycheck. But let me ask you one simple thing. Are you really satisfied with your own job? Don't you have other goals that you really want to achieve out there? Hmm, good question, right? But on my own opinion, since I'm also trying to explain my experience vis-a-vis what I did, um, it's not a question of whether you want it or not. It's a question of you have to. You are the cycle of life is more about you have to know exactly that people younger than you will also come up. People will have also their exams and everything. So in 5 years' time that you started your work, if you don't try to do something that you need to create employment, who do you think will create that employment? Even if you are working for someone, just put in your mind that there's a certain number of years that you have to do in order before you become your own boss. You have to start making steps on what should I produce, what can I do, in order what can be the difference between what I'm doing, what I am not capable of doing. Can it work or not? Can it? But you need to have the balls, you need to have the guts in order to venture into become your own patron. So, my friends, it's up to you. But becoming your own boss is mostly resolving about your ambition. Are you determined? Do you have the guts? Do you have the feeling of doing what scares you more? Leaving your own job and becoming your own boss? It's not an easy case. Even for me, I have to take steps. I have to planify to make sure that by the time I become something, I become that boss, I make sure that at least before leaving my job, I already have a savings that will help me start. But it's not a question of are you ready, but the problem is, are you getting started? Start before even thinking that while you are still working for someone, start making your activity to get known. Begin to start, just practice, make people to know that you are already doing something. And when the time comes, you will not be surprised of what should I do next, what should I know. You already know. Before you become formal, you already know that okay, this is what I will do, this is what I have to do, this is what I've been doing, this is the mistakes I've done. And you already have steps ahead. You will no more think that what needs to be done. You have already stepped it above. So, moreover, in conclusion for this show, if you have any question, you just have to comment or inbox me. But on the nutshell, becoming your own boss is mostly about preparation. Not that you need to be prepared before becoming. You need to develop a strategy, financial strategy, in order to start at least with the basic minimum. Like for me, in order to start the MN Service 237, I had to know what was important in the market. So yeah, you will have to study what needs to be done primarily and now begin to start operating as an entrepreneur. You guys are on Age Belek Online TV. Watch, listen, read, and fail. Sure.
Leo Darlow.